now entering final stage. Countdown and reanimation of prisoner batches 290, 310, 480, and 570, 10 minutes.
That's it. Very last one.
Excellent.
Accessed.
What the hell is that?
Cryo-prisoner reanimation sequence now entering final stage.
Is it cold in here, or is it just me? Good memory.
Look in my eyes, Johnny. I'll see you in hell tonight. This is the best day of my life. Hands up!
You have apprehended the villain responsible for the murder of our beloved Dr. Raymond Cocteau?
Well, I wouldn't exactly say apprehended. Let's just say he's history. And the cryo prison, that's history too.
What will we do? How will we live?
I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna go out drinking, all of us, get shit-faced and paint the town, literally. Put up graffiti, slogans. It'll be a blast.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna do. Why don't you get a little dirty? You elect me. And somewhere in the middle, I don't know, you'll figure it out.
Fucking A.
Well put.
Mr. Findlay. Mr. Findlay? Greetings and salutations, Edgar Findlay. I'm Associate Bob, and may I say it would be a great pleasure to assist you in creating a more humane
Bob, let's talk about the hair, okay?
hair.
Pick a color, all right? And lose the kimono. You look like a couch.
Couch?
What are you, a surgeon with these gloves?
Thank you for rendering me unconscious.
Huxley, I did it for your own good.
We're supposed to be a team.
We are.
Why? Are all fluid transfer activities like this?
Better.
Better? Why?
I think I'm gonna like the future.
Now that you've demolished everything.
But there's just one thing I want to know. How's that damn 3 seashell thing work?